Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. So today I am going to make village style mutton curry. So I will show you the ingredients while making the mutton curry. First of all, I will show you the mutton. I have taken 1 kilo mutton over here. First of all, I will put some salt in it. Put some turmeric powder. I will marinate this for 10 minutes. The salt is already put in, so I will not put any more salt because the salt is sufficient. This I will keep aside. And the masalas which I am going to use is, this is garlic, ginger, onions, dhania, jeera and black pepper. All this I am going to grind it and then use it in the mutton curry. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. The oil is turned hot. First of all, I will put some hing because whenever I make mutton curry, I use hing. So I have put in the hing. Now I will put some jeera. You can see this is jeera. I will put this in. I have taken some bay leaves. This also I will put in. I have taken some khara garam masala. This also I will put in. I have chopped up some onions over here, about 4 big onions. I will put this in also. Let the onions fry. Friends, now the onion is gone nice and brown. You can see the onions. Nice and brown it's gone. Now I will put the ginger, garlic and onion paste. Put in the dhania, jeera and black pepper paste. Put some chili powder. I will not put the turmeric powder now because I've marinated the mutton with the turmeric powder and salt. So I will not use turmeric powder now. This is the masala water which I have put in the masala. Now I will let the masala fry also. The masala has gone brown. Now I will put in the mutton. I have marinated this with turmeric powder and salt. That is why I am not putting turmeric powder. So now this I will put it in. Now friends, you can see the color, how nice it's come. The salt also is put in, so I will not use salt. Now I will cover this and let the meat fry along with the masalas. Friends, you can see the water is dried up. Now I will fry the mutton nicely. The mutton is fried up with the masalas. Very nicely it's fried up, you can see it. I have chopped up 2 tomatoes. This I will put in. This is meat masala. This also I will put in. Now I will put in the water. Today I have used cold water. Now I will let the meat cook in this water. Cover it up. Village style mutton curry is ready. You can see the mutton. It's cooked up well. Friends, the mutton curry is ready to be eaten. You can see how nice it's looking. You can have it with hot rice, pulao, chapatis, parathas. Thank you for watching my video.